there, my name is Dr. Marissa May. In this video, we're going to be solving an absolute value inequality. I noticed that the inequality is a greater than. So a couple of things to remember. If the inequality is a less than, I like to remember less than means and. And greater than, I say it greater to help me remember that. A greater than means or. So since this is a greater than, I'm going to say x is greater than 5. Notice I took the absolute values off. Or x is, watch the two changes. Flip the inequality, change the sign on the number. So x is greater than 5, or x is two changes, flip the inequality, make the number negative. Now, if you need to get fancy and go ahead and graph it, we can do that. We're going to say x is greater than 5. There's 5. There's no equal to underneath that inequality, so I'm going to put an open circle there. And x is greater than 5. So I want to shade to where the numbers are greater than 5, and that's on the right. Or x is less than negative 5. So here's negative 5. Again, no equal to, so I'm going to use an open circle. And I'm going to shade where the numbers are less than negative 5, and that's to the left. If you want to go one step further, you can write an interval notation. For the shading on the left, you'll notice that it starts at negative infinity and it ends at negative 5. For interval notation, infinities always get a parentheses, and negative 5 here with the open circle gets a parentheses as well. Let's do the same thing for the shading on the right. It begins at 5 and it ends at positive infinity. Infinities always get a parentheses, and 5 has an open circle, so it too gets a parentheses. And then one more symbol, we say the union of the two of those. So we put a U in between them. So we have our solution in inequality form. We have our solution in number line or graphing form. And we have it in interval notation. Depending on what your problem is asking for, you'll answer with one of these three. I hope this helps.